Okay, in problem 9, we got a bunch of numbers. And I'm just going to go out here. I'm going to say input. All right, 17.016, 3.590, 94.572, 39.595, 25.279, 65.041. I don't know about you, but me saying it out loud helps me. 87.460, 6.322, 12.114, and 43.096. So we have all of these numbers and we need the average. So we're going to use the average function. And then you just have to select the set of numbers you want to average. And it gives you the average of all of this, 39.41 or 39.409. And that's it for number 9.